Okay guys, we got the package from Sehuni.com, Kota Surabaya. Let's see what is inside. This package should be Sehuni Orico C docking. Better live view. And C, that means it can be cloned. Okay, let's check the package. This package is full protections. Let's see from this side. That's right, Orico. This is a laptop for checking live in front of you. This is it. Ta-da! Okay, empty. This is it. Oh, it's holographic. Tube offline clone hard drive dock for 3.5 without tool USB offline copy. This side, tube. Okay. This is the other side. Oh, this from China, imported by Inovasi Technology Jamalang. This is specification to clone HD hard drive dock type B output. Let's try. Okay, see, unboxing this for the first time. I see this. Looking good. Take this out. Okay, like this. Let's bring it up. Boom. Wow. Okay, this is for 2.5 size for hard disk for laptop like this, and this is hard disk for PC. As you see before, I buy a hard disk for PC. Let me turn the lights on. This is the inside, just like that. Another side. Okay, let me turn it off. Orico. This is the buttons. Okay, we should be open this with satisfactions. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, this is DC for line electrician input. Wow, smooth. USB 3.0 start clone. Oh, this is an option for clone and PC. Clone is for clone, PC is for normal connections. Start, and this is on off. Okay, stop. This the percentage of the clone. This hard disk 1, hard disk 2, target and source. You put the smaller one in here, bigger one in here, smaller to bigger, source to target. Okay, like that for the briefing. This is the device. I buy it at a high price, and let's see inside this. Oh, there's some tools. You will see that connectors, block, and manual book. Okay, let's see the manual book. What else we have? iTech. Oh wow, extra guarantee. Okay, yeah, thank you. This is manual book from Chinese, purely Chinese language. Okay, like that. Just explain. Oh my god, it's really fully Chinese. But Oh, this is the English. This is how to guide, how to use. How to start. Okay. Okay, good. When I try, I forget to do this. So hard drive is not formatted. It doesn't recognized by the PC. Okay, let's go. We got again. How to use. Let's see what is inside it. Okay, that's like general manual book. I don't know about that. This is original Orico from Chinese. Okay, let's try. Oh, this is a place where I buy Vivan robot. You see how expensive I buy. Okay, next, this is for guarantee, store guarantee. This is for extended guarantee, 1 year again, 2 years. This is the USB connector. The plastic is so good, so hard to open. Okay, USB to USB 0.3. Let's reopen this. This is for securing some data. Smells good. And this is the adapter. You can see this is the adapter of Orico. This is the guarantee. This is specification adapter, switching adapter, input and output. Dongguan City, Guangxi Electronic, made in China. Okay, let's put this on. I think it's just like this. Yes, just like that. Lock and open. Open is like this. Take off. Okay, this is to lock to that way. Okay, let's retry. I will put wait, let me take the adapter. This is connector for electricians. Okay, we put this in USB 3. Remember, okay, USB 3. This is for the DC. See that? I will open this too. Tightening this. Wait a minute. It's already open. Oh yes, the hard disk. We have Seagates. That's tomorrow we got 2 terabytes. I will use in the shots, I think. Shots. I will set this is to clone to PC. Sorry, this is from source. Remember the pattern. Okay, that. Okay, and This is 3 terabytes from VD, Western Digital. I will put that in here. Good. Why this like I'm not good in positions? You can see that's moving. Okay, we put the adapter in here, and the power will be on. Okay, see, it's right. Let's we put this in here. Okay. Installing new device software. Let's see. It's already recognized. Wait. This is the 2 terabytes space you get when yesterday buy, and this one is 3 terabytes. Okay, connecting normally. Thank you for watching. Okay, this is well it works. The lights is on, blue and purple. Excuse me. Okay, and that use like that. No indicator behind this. You can see the hard drive using. Okay, like that. So thank you for watching. It's already test. It's okay, it's good. This is it. Orico hard drive.